Okay, this one is the Egyptian swing or pigeon. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to keep your chin parallel to the ground. Your shoulders are going to be still, okay? Your shoulders in the lower part of your body still. The only thing that's going to move is your head, assisted by the neck. Okay, so we're going to just have our tongue up, teeth slightly parted, lips closed, and we're going to jut our whole head forward. This is what it looks like from the side. Try to have my good alignment here so you see me the picture. Yeah. And then okay, so it's only our head floating in a parallel to the floor plane.